Hello everyone, welcome to Wonder Study. Today we will be dealing with chapter number 1, class 8, crop production and management. Which of the following crop would enrich the soil with nitrogen? Apple, pea, paddy, potato. So the right answer is pea. The nitrogen fixing bacteria present in root nodule of leguminous plant is Rhizobium bacteria. Rotation of crops in the same field replenish the soil with nitrogen naturally and increase the soil fertility. Let's come to question number 2. Which of the following is not a kharif crop? Paddy, mustard, maize, groundnut. So mustard is the right answer. The crops which are shown in rainy season are called kharif crop. The rainy season in India is generally from June to September. Example, paddy and maize. Question number 3. In agriculture, broadcasting is used for plowing of the field, rotating the crops, removing the weeds, sowing the seeds. So the right answer is sowing the seeds. The sowing of seed by hand is called broadcasting. Question number 4. Fish liver oil is rich in vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C or vitamin D. So fish liver oil is rich in vitamin A and vitamin D. Question number 5. Which of the following is not grown by transplantation? Chilies, tomatoes, peas, paddy. So the right answer is pea. The process of transferring the seedling from the nursery to the main field by hand is called transplanting or transplantation. Some crops like paddy and many vegetables like tomatoes and chilies, the seed are not directly sown in the field soil. Question number 6. Which of the following is not a rabi crop? Soybean, pea, wheat, linseed. So the right answer is soybean. The crop grown in winter season are called rabi crops. Example, wheat and gram. One of the following crops is not cultivated by sowing its seeds directly into soil. This one is wheat, gram, paddy, maize, makka. So the right answer is paddy. The process of transferring the seedling from nursery to the main field by hand is called transplanting or transplantation. Some crops like paddy and many vegetables, the seeds are not directly sown in the field soil. Let's come to question number 8. Tomatoes are cultivated by practice called transpiration, translocation, transportation, transplantation. So the right answer is transplantation. Paddy, tomatoes and chilies are grown by transplantation. Question number 9. Which of the following cannot be provided to soil by a chemical fertilizer? Nitrogen, humus, potassium, phosphorus. So our right answer is humus. Nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium are chemicals which can be provided to the soil by chemical substance called fertilizer, whereas humus cannot. It is provided to the soil by natural substance called manure. Question number 10. Which of the following are not grown by transplantation? Chilies, tomatoes, paddy, papayas. So the right answer is papaya. Paddy, tomatoes and chilies are grown by transplantation. Next question number 11. The Rhizobium bacteria present in the root nodule of pea plant can fix one of the following from the atmosphere. This one is hydrogen, oxygen. So the right answer is nitrogen. The Rhizobium bacteria present in the root nodule of pea plant can fix nitrogen. Question number 12. The process of beating out grains from the harvested wheat crop is called beating, crushing, threshing, weeding. So the right answer is threshing. The process of beating out grain from the harvested wheat crops is called threshing. It is done by a machine called combine. Next question, question number 13. The food obtained from animal is very rich in fats, carbohydrates, minerals, proteins. The food obtained from animal is very rich in protein. Protein is our right answer here. Question number 14. The government agency responsible for purchasing grains from the farmers, safe storage and distribution is CBI, FBI, FCI, FDI. So the right answer is FCI. The government agency like Food Corporation of India, FCI, buy food grain from farmer and storing them properly. Next question number 15. The process of removing unwanted plants from crop field is called breeding, weeding, transplanting, harvesting. As you know, the removal of unwanted plant is called weeding. Question number 16. Poultry gives us egg, meats as well as egg, honey. Right answer is meats as well as eggs. Question number 17. Which of the following is not correct statement for sowing seeds? Seeds should be sown at right interval. Seeds should be sown at right depth. Seeds should be sown in dry soil. Seeds should not be sown in wet soil. So option C, seeds should be sown in dry soil is incorrect. Seeds should not be sown in dry soil because water is necessary for germination of seed. You all know that, right? Question number 18. Which of the following system of irrigation is preferred for the uneven land? Chain pump irrigation system, drip irrigation system, sprinkler irrigation system or river irrigation system? Sprinkler system is more suitable for the uneven land where sufficient water is not available. So the right answer is sprinkler irrigation system. Next question. The best technique of watering the fruit plants and trees is chain pump system, sprinkler system, moat or pulley system or drip system? So the right answer is drip system. In this system there is a network of narrow pipes with small holes in the field. When water flows through these pipes, water falls down just as the position of the root. So it is called drip system. Water is not wasted at all. It is the best technique for watering fruit plants, gardens and trees. So here is the last question. 2,4-D is a pesticide, insecticide, fungicide or weedicides? So the right answer is it's a pesticide. What's the full form of 2,4-D? 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. Try to repeat after me. 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. So if you find this video useful, kindly subscribe our channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.